Join us for the 52nd Annual Street Rod Nationals at the Kentucky Exposition Center this Thursday, August 5th through Sunday, August 8th. Over 10,000 street rods, customs, muscle cars, and street machines will be on hand, with a high number of participants expected and over 350 manufacturer and dealer displays. Make your plans now to visit the Modern DriveLine exhibit, your elite Tremec distributor, with a full display of the Tremec transmission lineup featuring the all-new TKX, the next generation in 5-speed technology, as well as complete 5- and 6-speed conversion packages, clutches, hydraulics, pedals and linkage, flywheels, bell housing, parts, accessories, and more. Bruce Kuchar and the MDL team will be available to answer your questions and help configure the best solution for your conversion. We'll see you at the NSRA Street Rod Nationals, and thanks for making it modern.